Hi boys and girls, we are on page 3.1 in your activity book. I'm going to do the light experiment for you. You can certainly try it at home if you have the materials or you can do parts of it. That's okay too. But if you don't have the stuff at home and you just want to watch me do it and do your recording in your activity book, that's fine. So you need a flashlight, which I have this little guy from a STEM kit. You need a square of plastic wrap. So I'm improvising because I don't have plastic wrap here at school, so I'm using part of a plastic bag, Ziploc bag. You need some wax paper, which looks like this, okay? And a piece of cardboard. Here's the cardboard and aluminum foil. So all of those items, and if you don't have aluminum foil at home, you could use an aluminum pan, that's fine. So you should have already recorded everything on 3.2 in What Do I Think Will Happen. You should have done that in part 1 of the video. So now what's going to happen, I'm going to put up one of these materials on my desk. Now I have a black desk, but you'll still be able to see what happens when I shine the light. And as I do this, what you need to do for each of these things, so the first one is the clear plastic wrap, you're going to write what happened. So did the light go through the piece, whatever material it is, or did it not? Okay, so we're going to do the plastic wrap first. So here's a piece of plastic, clear plastic. I'm going to shine the light on it, and you're going to write whether or not the light passes through. So if you can see the desk below it, that means that the light passed through, okay? Next is the wax paper. I wonder what you guys wrote there. So there we go. You can see what happens with the light when I shine it on here. Does it go through or doesn't it? Next is the cardboard. What happens with the cardboard? Can we see the desk through the light, through the cardboard? So write what happens in there. And the last thing is the aluminum foil. So here's our aluminum foil, and here's what it looks like when the light is shined on it. Can you see the desk through the aluminum foil when I put the light on it? All right. So for each of these things, you should have written what happened in this box, in that column, for each of the items. Now, turn to the back of 3.2. It says light experiment reflection. Based on your experiment, what predictions can you make about what happens to light when it hits a parked car? Think about all of the surfaces that you see on a car. So think about a parked car. Think about all the different surfaces on a parked car. What happens when light hits a parked car? Be as specific as you can, okay? All right, good luck.